Alright, everybody get on the fucking bus. This is the bus to the astral world. I'm your driver. Crazy, reforming himself, incubus creature. I can be in the sunlight. Don't worry about it. Get on the fucking bus. We're going to school, guys. Guys, you ready to go to fucking school? Dear John,
A letter came in the mail for you today. It was from your wife. She said, "Fuck you. I'm fucking your buddy on the bowling league. You son of a bitch." Don't worry. It's okay. She's been fucking him for 3 years. Should have known. He lives next door, but he comes over late. They carpool. He's always late. Because he waits till you leave. Then he goes and he fucks your wife in your big bed 2 or 3 times. Then rushes himself to the bowling alley like he didn't do nothing wrong. 3 nights a week. How does that make you feel? You feel like you made some right choices? Do you feel like you made the right choices? Well, you should. Those are your choices. That's pretty tough. Doe wouldn't do that. Back to this. So the Russian lady basically described my whole situation, but I've listened linearly through. One of them I talked to, I was working with her, a lady named Susan. She was nice. She was trying to explain some of this too, in a weird way. I think. Can other ethnicities be on point with something so oblivious to an individual in a different racial category? Is that a thing? Or are they just more gifted psychics? I mean, I could buy that one. Just a little more gifted in the psychic department than Westerners. Seems more reasonable. Yeah, I experienced the program and I didn't respond to it the way that it wanted to. That pissed it off. Because and now it was a dangerous thing too, because they were already ready to send me to the dog food factory. That was one alternative, to be in dog food. Be ground up and thrown in the dog food without nobody knowing what happened to you. It happens. Some of that dog food's people. How much you want to bet? I bet you test it and you find a human. Especially in the wet. I don't know about the dry. I mean, certainly it's possible. I don't know what it takes to make dog food. Shit, don't look at me. I didn't do it. The moral of the story is this. There was a plan for you that was not so good. You uncovered it. You discovered it. This is true. I had this experience. It was a family thing too, because it was going down the line. You know, yes, we have some interesting genetics. Not that unheard of a thing. And now I got victory. Not complete victory. I mean, I just have to act accordingly, which is to not go the way that they would want. The controllers would want you to go a certain way. They provide seemingly wide berth with pinch points that sort of drive you into certain areas of your experience, into which you could just be like, well, this is just the way it is. This is the circumstance. Or you could exert tremendous effort of will in areas that they would not understand why all of a sudden it would appear, and deny them some sort of thing like harming people or doing something real ridiculous that you set your own principles to. Stuff like that. That's what won. And good fucking show. Great. But it just goes to show you that, we're in a fucked up thing. Whatever it is fucked up. Whatever's going on is fucked up. It's not just fucked up for me, it's fucked up for everybody. It's not ideal. I'm not going to say it's a simulation, but I'm not going to say it's not. Whatever we agreed to fucking experience this was fucking a very fucking well put together contract for all the parties to get something out of it. God damn, what the fuck? That's all I'm saying. But as I'm saying it in the Incubus form, I'm hoping I can find some ladies to take home, transform into their favorite partner, and make it some nasty freak sex with. That's it. That's my goal. Go to work, come home, transform, and make sexy time with a not rape victim. It's a good day. It's called a good day. Yeah. Sexy time is also vampiric suck. What do you want me to do about that? I gotta eat. Gotta have lunch. That's just the way it is. Don't you notice it? Well, it's the same with the male spirit as with the female. The lady ones, sure, they definitely seem more like vampires. The men that wake up from their wet dreams are definitely needing more sleep. But so are the women. They're just too tired to talk about it. Hopefully they forget. Usually they would just get their mind wiped. Nothing to see here. Nothing to remember there. That old chestnut. What you don't know can't hurt you. This is the park. I took a detour to go there because it's been so long since I've been over here. I guess now I should take the stairs, huh? God damn, there's a fine ass chick that just came down. Alrighty. I can't talk with a cigar in my mouth.